Holy stars.
Scalpelite. And that's a Wernerite.
Wow. Is the
That's a
green?
Willemite.
Okay. It's
That's
not
from
uranium.
New Jersey. No, but this is uranium glass here.
So, okay, rad. My friend just gave me a thing of uranium glass.
I love it.
Is it? Can you just touch it? Yeah.
Yeah, and you can travel with it on
For
an airplane.
realsies?
It's low enough
Really?
concentration that you can take it on an airplane.
No way.
I travel enough that I look up this information.
That's
This is a full
real.
rainbow, ready?
What kind of rock is that?
Some kind of agate. So see, I'm starting to shape.
That's awesome.
It's a soft. So this is black is carbon. This is calcium, and this is some kind of agate mixture. So
Beautiful.
it makes it a little difficult because this is really soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the carbon one because it really polishes up.
With this?
The black is carbon and this calcium. That's why it gets hot. Grinding with the 80 grit does this, and as you go through all the stuff, you take off the points until you get it smooth. And so it's smooth so that when you end up with the polish.
So as you get like smoother and smoother, it gets shiny because more light rays reflect off of it.
Right.
Because they don't get stuck in the little cavities.
So if you feel this one, this is similar to what your nail file would be.
Oh, God, I need a nail file right now.
Right. But if you feel this one, see, this is metal, but these are like leather. So they have different polishing. So this is what we call a 50,000 grit.
Oh,
So
dang.
that's what polishes like this. So you grind with these.
Okay.
So with these, I'm going to work down, to almost to the polish.
Yeah.
So it's just fine. And then these, I'm going to eventually get into this
That's awesome.
with these. And so I get less and less bumps. So then it's very shiny.
There's science in everything.
Yes.
That's so beautiful. Thank you for explaining that.